Job interview check-in. Good morning. Welcome to Sino Technology. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'm here for a job interview.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, my interview is scheduled for 10 o'clock.
May I have your name, please?
Sure. My name is Daniel Chen.
And who are you here to see today, Mr. Chen?
I'm here to see Miss Wong from the HR department.
Great. Is this your first visit to our office?
Yes, it is.
Did you find the office easily?
Yes, the directions on your website were very clear.
I'm glad to hear that. May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Please sign in here.
Sure.
And please wear this visitor badge while you're in the building.
Okay. Thank you.
Would you like some water or coffee while you wait?
Water would be great. Thank you.
Certainly.
Actually, could you tell me where the restroom is?
Of course. It's down the hall on the left.
Thank you very much.
We also have guest Wi-Fi available. Would you like the password?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Please have a seat. I'll let Miss Wang know you've arrived.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
She should be with you shortly.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Welcome again, Mr. Chen.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Answering a business call. Good morning. Thank you for calling Sino Technology. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to speak with Mr. Lin, please.
May I know who's calling?
This is Kevin Brown from ABC Company.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Please hold for a moment.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for waiting. Mr. Lin's line is busy right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234-5678.
And what is this regarding?
It's about the proposal we sent last week.
I see. Has Mr. Lin had a chance to review it yet?
I'm not sure. I haven't heard back from him.
No problem. I'll make sure he gets your message.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Is there anything specific you'd like me to tell him?
Yes, please let him know it's quite urgent.
Certainly. Is there a best time for him to call you back?
Any time before 4 o'clock would be great.
Perfect. I'll pass that along.
Thank you very much.
Would you also like a confirmation email?
Yes, please.
May I have your email address?
It's kevin.brown@abccompany.com.
Got it. I'll send that shortly.
Thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything.
Thank you for calling Sino Technology. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Scheduling a client meeting.
Hi, Sarah. Do you have a moment?
Sure. What can I help you with?
I need to schedule a meeting with a client this week.
Of course. What day are you thinking?
Wednesday or Thursday would work for me. Is the manager available?
Let me check the calendar.
No problem.
Wednesday looks open. Thursday is pretty busy.
Let's go with Wednesday then.
Great. How about 10 o'clock?
That works.
How long should I book the meeting for?
About 2 hours should be enough.
Okay. Which conference room would you like?
Please reserve conference room B.
No problem. Who should I include on the invitation?
The manager, the client, and 2 people from the sales team.
Got it. What would you like as the meeting title?
Let's call it Client Review Meeting.
Sounds good. Any notes for the invitation?
Yes. Please remind everyone to bring the latest report.
Will do.
Can you also make sure the room has water and a working projector?
Absolutely.
Thanks. And please include the conference room location in the meeting details.
No problem.
I'll send the invitation right away.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if anything changes.
I will. Thanks again. Leaving after the interview. Mr. Chen, Welcome back. How did the interview go?
I think it went very well. Thank you.
That's wonderful to hear. Ms. Wong is a great person to interview with.
Yes, she was very kind and professional.
I'm glad to hear that. May I have your visitor badge back, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Did you have everything you needed while you were waiting earlier?
Yes, I did. Thank you for your help.
Is there anything you need before you leave?
Actually, could you call a taxi for me?
Certainly. I'll arrange that right away.
Thank you very much.
It should arrive in about 10 minutes. Would you like to wait here?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
Do you need directions to the main road?
Actually, yes. I came by taxi, so I'm not very familiar with the area.
No problem. Just turn left when you leave the building and walk 2 blocks.
Perfect. That sounds easy enough.
By the way, how did you hear about this position?
I found it on the company website.
That's great. We've received a lot of interest in this role.
I can imagine. It seems like a wonderful company.
We certainly enjoy working here. The team is very supportive.
That's nice to hear. I hope I have the opportunity to join the team.
We hope so too. Do you have any questions before you go?
No, I think everything is very clear. Everyone has been extremely helpful.
That's very kind of you to say.
It's true. I felt welcome from the moment I arrived.
I'm glad to hear that. Your taxi should be here shortly.
Great. Thank you for everything today.
It was our pleasure, Mr. Chen. Thank you for visiting. Sino Technology.
Thank you for having me. I had a wonderful experience.
We hope to see you again soon.
I hope so too. Have a great rest of your day.
You as well. It was a pleasure assisting you today.
The pleasure was mine. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Chen. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Small talk with a coworker. Hey, Mike, are you heading out for lunch?
Yes, just about to go. Want to come along?
I can't today. Someone needs to cover the front desk.
That's too bad. It's been a really busy morning.
It definitely has. Much busier than usual.
Did you even have breakfast today?
Just a quick coffee. That's about it.
You should grab something to eat. It's going to be a long afternoon.
You're probably right. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. A little tired, but not bad.
Are you feeling better than yesterday?
Yes, much better. Thanks for asking.
That's good to hear. Did you finish the report?
Almost. I just need a few more minutes to wrap it up.
Do you need any help?
No, I think I've got it. But thanks.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was so exciting. Did you see it?
I caught the second half. What a finish.
I know. I couldn't believe it.
How are you liking the job so far?
Very much. Everyone on the team has been really friendly.
Are you free this weekend?
Not really. I have some family plans. What about you?
Same here. Maybe we can grab lunch next week instead?
Sounds good to me.
The office feels a bit cold this afternoon, doesn't it?
A little. Maybe the air conditioning is set too low.
I'll take a look at it.
Thanks. Oh, by the way, someone left a bag near the entrance.
I noticed that too. I'll keep it at the front desk for now.
Good idea. I'll see you after lunch.
Sure. Could you bring me something small to eat?
Of course. Any preferences?
Anything is fine. Thanks, Mike.
No problem. See you soon.